The battery is one major cost driver and has an overall high quality requirement on the joining technology. Therefore, our novel holistic approach is a key process for electrification. Through the quality control loop with batch size 1, we can avoid scrap and high follow-up cost. This plays an important role in reducing the CO2 footprint of the battery manufacturing. Each specific cell contact of a high-voltage battery module is measured using AI-supported image analysis to ensure a precise and reliable weld seam positioning. The basis for a stable and robust welding process is a broad fundamental knowledge and the use of research facilities such as DAISY in Hamburg. This is the key to further improve the quality by looking into the invisible side of the process. To increase the productivity and round off our holistic approach, we have worked with our colleagues from Precitech to create the possibility of using the EMI embedded laser welding monitor to obtain direct process feedback as a 3D fingerprint of each specific weld seam. Using AI and extracting absolute physical values like static tensile force or welding depth enables a significant increase in data quality.